Welcome to Research Paper Support YouTube channel. In this video, I am explaining plagiarism checking softwares. So nowadays, before sending a research paper to any journal, first we have to check our plagiarism. So if the content is unique, then only the editor will accept your paper in the first step. So for that purpose, first I will explain the plagiarism checking software. So this is the most important softwares. Most of the researchers nowadays using the plagiarism checker software. So how it will works, I will show you. First, paste your content like this, or you can click on the large content or paragraph or blog, whatever it may be, and you can do it in online plagiarism or side by side comparison or bulk search, whatever it may be, and you can load the document, word document also from here. So once if you done this one, simply click on analyze. So once if you click the analyze button, it will show you the duplicate version. So after that, the sources also it is showing from this one. So after that, go to the view summary. So once if you see the summary report, it is the unique percentage is 31st and the plagiarism content is remaining 69 percentage. So now after 1 second, your report will be generated as per the plagiarism checker software. So the plagiarism quantity is 69 percentage is duplicate. So here it is clearly showing it is 100% 100 plagiarized words out of total 145 words. Okay, total the sources are four sources is identified. The remarks it is saying it is a high plagiarism detected, your documents needs critical improvement. So most of the time whenever you are submitting to a journal, it must be less than 20% of the document plagiarized. So one only duplicate should be 20%, the remaining 80% should be unique. So most of some cases, some special cases, the journal will ask around 10 to 15%. It depends upon the journal. Okay. So this is a plagiarism checking software. So after that, I will show you some other softwares which mostly using the softwares. So this is a duplichecker.com. Go to the duplichecker.com. In that, the duplichecker is there. This is the plagiarism checking tool. Now, if you go to here, this is the now I will paste here like this, whatever your content. And if you have a file, you can choose from this one. You can upload the document and click on the check plagiarism. So please wait for 1 minute. It will ask to verify like this. So please wait for 1 minute. It will give you the detailed scanning plagiarism. So after that, it will show you how much your content is plagiarized and how much your content is unique percentage. So like that, it will give you the report of plagiarism content of your document, whether it is 50 to 100 words or more than 10,000 words also. It will give you the exact plagiarism content and also unique content. Okay, so this is the in this case we will take in some of the paragraph from the content whichever I am going to explain in the next case. So next, this one also small SEO tools. From this also you will get plagiarism checking documents. So here you can paste and also you can click on the check plagiarism content. You will get the plagiarized content. So previous one I am showing here. This one number of words are 145. Total results found 3. The plagiarism is 56 percentage. The unique percentage is 44. And here the highlighting words are plagiarized words, and also from which journal or which website you are taken. It is showing clearly on the right side. See, there is a similarity. 22 percentage you taken from this journal, and 13 percentage from this journal, and also 12 percentage from this journal. And you can download a PDF file also. Other even you can download the Word file also from this report. So like based on that, you can download and you can do it. Okay. So next, the plagiarism verifier here. This one also you can simply copy and paste. You can check the plagiarized content. This is the small SEO tools. And next one is plagiarism checker X. Whatever we done still now, the plagiarism checking content, it will show you like this. And you can download the student version also is there. You can download from the internet. The next one is queue text. In the queue text also, you can enter here and also click on the check plagiarism, and you sometimes you accept the cookies here, whatever it is showing. So once if it is done, it will ask sometimes the account. So if you don't have account, please create an account and you will get the permission. So the next one is Grammarly.com. This is the most important one. The Grammarly plagiarism checker. It detects the plagiarism in your text and check for other writing issues also. That's why this is also most important one. Directly you can click on the text here. You can enter the text here and you will scan for the plagiarism. Definitely you will get some of the unique content and also plagiarized content. So even you can use this Grammarly for your writing issues also. Here you see you didn't find any plagiarism, but we found 17 writing theses. So Grammarly writing issues are there. There is no plagiarism found in this case. That's why it is showing like this, and you can go through each one and you can finish as early as possible. And next one is Authenticate. This is the most important one. Authenticate software, which they will most of the researchers they will use for the plagiarism content. But before submitting a paper to a journal, whether it is a normal journal or Scopus journal or Web of Index journal, whatever it may be, the content whatever we are writing, the originality report should be in good manner, and the plagiarism content also within 20%. You see, most of the cases it is showing how it is useful for all the journals. Okay. And next one is copy leaks. This is also important. One more important plagiarism checker software. That is the copy leaks, and you can check here, and you can uh, do your plagiarism content here. You can do. You can get started today for a free with 20 free scans per month. So you can do the plagiarism text around only 20 for 1 month. You have to create the account in this copy leaks. So coming to the next one, plagiarism detector.net. So in this plagiarism detector.net also up to 25,000 words. If you want to go for the 25,000, you can go with the GoPro option is there. So that means a premium option you have to buy the money. For normal purpose, you can go to the up to 1,000 words. You can do here only. Okay. So what is the GoPro? If you go for the this account, it is a deep search, user seats, no ads, supports, and accurate reports. No word limit will be there. So now I entered here some of the some text here, and it will scan your text and it will give you the plagiarism report, how much it is unique and how much it is copied. So like that, if you observe here, it is the characters are 889, total words are 145, and the sentences are 20. Okay, so based on that, it will scan each and every sentence, and it will give you the how much percentage is plagiarized and how much percentage is unique. So if you observe here, the unique content is 44 percentage and the plagiarized content is 56 percentage. And you can view the plagiarized sources from where you can copied the content also you can see here, and you can download the word report also. And next important thing is one more important softwares are there. Before that, I will explain top 10 plagiarism content in deep. The first one is dupli checker, and the second one is copy leaks, and the third one is paper rater, and fourth one is plagiarisma, and the fifth one is plagiarism checker, and sixth one is plagium, and also seventh one is plag scan, and also eighth one is plag tracker, ninth one is queue text, 10th one is plagiarism hunt. If you observe here, these are all the websites I am showing here. So the one more plagiarism is plag scan. In this plag scan, it will give all like this. You see, if you observe in the plag scan, if you give the report, after that the final report, the plagiarized content on each and everything, it will show you like this. So you can observe in this website. And next one is the Turnitin. This is the most important thing. Most of the journals they will do the your paper before sending to the reviewers. First they will do in Turnitin software. The Turnitin is the most important one. Some people they call it as a Turnitin. Okay, and here in this one, the Turnitin is the best tool for the plagiarism content. I will show you one of the document recently I done in the Turnitin software. So it will show you the submission date and submission ID, full name, count. See here in this paper, total 5,444 words are there. Characters are 26,487. So this one you see, it was plagiarized, and they given some numbers here like 15, 14, 2. So like that, and some of the colors also are there. So I will show you at the end how the report is came to me. So if you seen here the similarity index is 19 percentage. Okay, that means the plagiarism is below 20 percentage. So the 5 percentage from internet sources, 19 percentage from the publications, and 5 percentage from student papers. And the primary source also they given from 1, 2, 3. So from one this paper I taken total 6 percentage of content copied. From this paper 2 percentage copied. So like that there are a lot of papers are available here. Okay, and thank you so much for watching this content, and please subscribe my channel, and please share to your friends also. If you have any doubts, please contact me. Thank you so much.